Content creation is an art form, and the quest for virality is an ongoing pursuit. There exist certain non-negotiables that can significantly enhance the likelihood of your videos resonating with a wider audience. As you embark on your journey to create compelling content, remember that, especially in the beginning, nobody cares about you per se. Harsh as it may sound, the reality is that, lacking a massive audience, your life story might not be the best starting point for capturing attention. Instead, the key lies in crafting videos around topics that genuinely interest your potential viewers. In the early stages of your YouTube venture, it's imperative to recognize the importance of storytelling. The ability to weave a narrative that takes the viewer on a journey with you can be a game changer. Not only does it make it easier to accumulate watch time, but it also aids in maintaining viewer interest. Storytelling becomes a powerful tool in your arsenal, one that can set you apart from the myriad of content creators vying for attention. A fundamental aspect of enhancing your storytelling capabilities involves meticulous scripting. While some individuals may possess a knack for improvisation and keeping the audience engaged for the majority, scripting is a non-negotiable. Consider it your blueprint, your roadmap to delivering content that is not only concise, but also compelling. Scripting eliminates unnecessary lulls, ensuring that your audience remains engaged and appreciates your ability to get straight to the point. Video ideas form the cornerstone of your content creation endeavor. No matter how impeccably produced your videos are, they won't resonate if the underlying ideas fail to capture your audience's interest. Therefore, devote time and energy to generating ideas that are not only relevant, but also intriguing to your target audience. Titles, often underestimated, play a crucial role in the success of your video. It's no longer sufficient to focus solely on keyword optimization for ranking purposes. YouTube has evolved into a suggestion machine, and to garner views, you need to align with its algorithmic suggestions rather than relying solely on keyword rankings. Craft titles that not only pique your curiosity, but also align with the algorithm's propensity to suggest videos. Once you move into the editing phase, adopt a ruthless mindset. Ask yourself a simple yet pivotal question. Does this particular segment contribute substantially to the overall narrative, or is it mere filler? This editing philosophy can dramatically improve the quality of your videos. Trim the excess, keep your content focused, and witness an uptick in both watch time and audience retention. Efficiency is key when it comes to video editing, but so is the need to get straight to the point. In a landscape where viewer attention spans are shorter than ever, the value you provide must be delivered in as concise a time frame as possible. Stray away from the common tactic of baiting viewers with prolonged introductions. Instead, prioritize delivering information and value promptly. Your audience will appreciate your respect for their time, and this will foster a positive relationship. Thumbnails, often considered the gatekeepers of views, demand your careful attention. Click-through rate is the lifeblood of a video's success, and thumbnails are the primary factor influencing this metric. Design thumbnails that are not just visually appealing, but also enticing, prompting viewers to click and explore the content within. Remember, if nobody clicks, regardless of your video's quality, it remains unseen. Eliminating dead time in your videos is another vital component of keeping your audience engaged. The YouTube landscape rewards creators who maintain a consistently interesting and dynamic presentation. Successful videos often feature numerous jump cuts, camera movements, and changes in scenery within the first few minutes alone. Adapt your editing style to reflect the fast-paced nature of today's audience, and you'll find yourself better positioned to compete. Every segment of your YouTube video contributes to its overall success, but the beginning is undeniably crucial. Audience retention is the name of the game, and the longer you can captivate a viewer from the outset, the more likely YouTube is to suggest your content to a broader audience. Incorporate elements like B-roll, scene changes, and multiple camera angles to enhance audience retention and make your videos more enjoyable to watch. As you set forth on your YouTube journey, internalize these non-negotiables. Crafting content that resonates involves more than just technical prowess. It demands an understanding of audience psychology, algorithmic dynamics, and the art of efficient storytelling. Use this guide as your compass, ensuring that each video you create aligns with these principles. Remember, success on YouTube is an ongoing pursuit, and the willingness to adapt, improve, and innovate will be your strongest allies in the quest for virality.